So let us first talk about people who are giving attempt in 2026. How many of you are there? Good. कैसा लग रहा है? 2026. Now understand like this. When will be your prelims? 24th of May. When will be your mains? Mid-September. August, September. That's the time. Now let's go reverse. ये 24 दिन तो हटा ही दो. These are the days you will fall ill, you will not want to study, है ना? You don't want to do anything. One day, you know, parents come, another day, दोस्त के साथ जाना पड़ गया, and a number of things will happen. So let's remove these 24 days. Okay. So starting off May. कितने महीने हैं आज से? अभी आज क्या है? 15th July. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. May ki starting. This is the time available to us. How many months? कौन बोला 10? So from 15th July till at least mid of November, 15th November tak, we should be able to majorly complete our mains topics and subjects. We should be focusing on answer writing, because answer writing has two parts, content and skill. Content, slowly it will come, but skill we can learn anytime. So it is like learning carpentry. You don't know how to make that particular level of table, but at least you should know how to run a chisel, how to use a hammer. So these are the basic skills. So our skills should be honed here, like skills like speed, collection of content, also a little bit, articulation, because many times have you seen that you read something, you think something else, then when you are writing it, you are writing something else, and when you read it again, you find you have written something else. So this connection between what you read, what you understand, what you write, and whatever you have written is understandable in the same sense. This also takes time. This is a skill. जो सोच रहे हैं वही लिख दें. दिमाग में बहुत परफेक्ट बातें चलती हैं, but the moment you try to write it, what happens? Loss of words, sentence formation is not good, you don't know how to write it. All of these are mental blockages because we don't know answer writing as such. We haven't written for a long time. So we will work on our articulation, we will work on our vocabulary, we will work on our presentation. And the meantime, content, of course, whatever topics we are reading, we will use the content. So November 15, answer writing plus mains topics, and those topics of mains which are also included in prelims, like economy, polity, history, environment, all of these you will also read NCERTs. Try to quickly go through it. You have got summary books, you can use them. You can directly go to the NCERT, read and add if something is required. So this means when you have attended a class in the evening, so when you have attended the class, after that you go back, you have to revise the class, you have to go through the NCERT of that relevant particular portion, and then you have to give test, MCQ test which comes daily, and if possible then write. I will not say answer, just write. May it be your writing or revision of your notes or whatever. Slowly and steadily we will move towards answer writing. Is it clear? तो इतना काम है तुम्हारे पास टाइम है और कुछ करने का? You people don't have time. If you are really serious about 2026, generally it is a very hasty way of preparation. सब कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है. But is it possible? Yes. People have done it. Now it is all depending upon your own stamina, your own determination and your zeal to sacrifice. Now that's different for each one of us, isn't it? कोई थोड़ी सी बात पे रोता है, कोई बहुत ज़्यादा बात पे भी नहीं रोता, शांत रहता है, किसी को बात पे गुस्सा आता है. These are our personal traits. Similarly, all of this that we have to do, this is the ideal condition, this is what we have to do. Now whether you will be able to do it or not depends on your own stamina. And I always say success demands stamina. If you don't have stamina to sit and study, if you don't have stamina to slog anywhere, sit and study is one part. If you don't have stamina, what happens? You get tired, you get bored. And what happens to people who get tired and bored? कहीं नहीं जाते वो. They remain mediocre. Have you seen people who get bored with everything? पढ़ रहे हैं, बहुत बोरिंग है, थोड़ी देर खेलने के बाद वो भी बोरिंग हो गया. And I'll tell you, you do start doing anything in life, everything will turn boring after few days or months. But if you have to become successful in any field, any job, anywhere, any profession, one thing is necessary, that is stamina. Stamina to overcome that boredom. Boring है फिर भी करेंगे, tiring है फिर भी करेंगे, because what ought to be done ought to be done. जो करना है वो करना है. Moms are always tired, still they do what is required. Imagine your father saying, आज मन नहीं कर रहा ऑफिस जाने का. अगले दिन कहें कल भी नहीं गया था, आज भी नहीं जाएंगे. And if he does it regularly, what will happen? What will happen? And everything depends on that. You understand this? Why you people take liberty? It is because right now nobody is dependent on you. That's why you can take a liberty. आज नहीं पढ़ेंगे. But you have to understand, this is not actually a liberty. It has a cost. Each time you delay something has a cost. Everything has a cost. There are no free lunches. If I am here, my kid is waiting downside. It has a cost. Everything has a cost. So sometimes we don't understand. We feel that अभी तो time बहुत है हमारे पास, उससे बचना है. ठीक है? Okay. So mains, topics, NCERTs we have to integrate with it, because you are already reading the foundation, so you don't have to mug up the NCERTs. You can take what is relevant and put it in your summary books or with your foundation notes. Integrate everything in one. So when your history gets completed, there should be one history notebook which should include everything. If you have to add information, add it in that. Note it down and add it. Note it down and add it. Don't keep your resources or sources distributed. कुछ यहाँ से पढ़ लिया, कुछ वहाँ से पढ़ लिया, कुछ वहाँ से पढ़ लिया. Because what happens? Because our mind is pictographic memory. We will discuss one day how to memorize what is pictographic memory. We will do it. But can you understand this? Till November, mains should be under control. Few subjects like internal security, IR, they are very limited in scope. These subjects you can do it at the mains time also, or whatever it is. Depending on few topics will be left which we can cover in mains. Time वाला जो mains, prelims और mains के बीच का time. देन फ्रॉम नवंबर टिल अप्रैल, अप्रैल को तो हटा दो रिविजन के लिए, कितना टाइम है हमारे पास? दिस इज कंप्लीटली डिवोटेड टू prelims, completely devoted to prelims. Is it clear? So here our focus is writing and of course doing MCQs also, जो आपको daily मिलते ही हैं, doing that also. But after this, here our focus will become MCQs. We will write here also, but maybe once a week, maybe twice a week. Gradually, maybe in March we will not write anything, maybe, or maybe we will write only few answers, but there has to be some continuity. Clear? You give your prelims, then between this time there is a complete focus on mains and writing, and you give your mains. But your giving mains is dependent on what? So can you ever leave prelims preparation? Because trust me, I know few very intelligent people, they were always ready for mains and interview. And I know, I have few friends, 3 prelims not done, 4 prelims not done, but the moment they clear prelims, by hook or crook, जैसे भी उन्होंने clear किया, mains was not a problem for them. They were already ready for mains. They cleared mains, interview, rank. Many of my friends, I won't take name because some people may become like feeling कि हमारी story ऐसे बताई जाए, but I know many people, biggest hurdle was only prelims. So prelims we will never leave. Once you clear prelims, first trust of your family, friends, teachers and your own becomes स्ट्रॉन्ग. प्रीलिम्स क्लियर हो जाता है तो एक आ जाता है ना कि अरे अप टू अ लेवल वी हैव रीच्ड, अब तो मेंस ही करना है. एंड आफ्टर यू क्लियर प्रीलिम्स देयर इज अ हाइटेंड सेंस ऑफ एंथुजियाज्म. देन यू राइट, देन you do anything and everything, then there are greater chances that you will clear mains also. So we will not leave practicing for MCQs and prelims. We will not leave it anytime. Though our focus will be like proportion wise. So supposedly, if it is our daily schedule, one understanding is GS, optional, essay. Marks are 250, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour. Clear? This time frame you understand? If someday you have less hours to devote, then half an hour. Cost benefit analysis. Okay. Now how to decide between prelims and mains? Supposedly, what is going on in your class? Evening batch. Science and tech. So science and tech is asked majorly where? ऑप्शनल में तो आएगा नहीं बेटा, जीएस में ही आएगा. प्रीलिम्स और मेंस, मेजरली इन प्रीलिम्स. मेंस आल्सो देयर आर क्वेश्चंस, बट they are not static, they are morely current oriented. Okay, so prelims. So what should be the ideal way of preparation? Your science and tech class is going on, then what should we do? Class attend कर ली, you went home, you revised your notes, 6th to 12th NCERT, 10th not 12th, 10th 11 12th की कुछ NCERTs पढ़ेंगे हम, कुछ chapters. So 6th to 10th और 12 plus some chapters of 11th and 12th. You read daily 1 hour or maybe daily 2 hours or 1 hour. Inculcate in your notes. Then after this you start doing MCQs. Some of the things are given in test. खत्म हो गया उसके बाद? नहीं? फिर कहाँ से आएंगे questions? In your apps, in your LMS, there are 30-year PYQs uploaded, topic wise. go खेलते रहो, gamification, try solving them. We will bring all Rajendra Nagar material and put it in our libraries. You people keep practicing. So idea is to practice MCQs. How do you practice? बस करा और गायब? No, you analyze. Supposedly you do 10 questions. After that you analyze. Could I have thought about it in a different manner? Am I lacking in information? If I am lacking in information, what to do? Maybe I need to read more. Maybe I need to ask the sir, is this area also important? Where should I read it from? You understand this? And after you do this, we can say you have made best use of your science and tech class. बट आपको लिखना भी तो है मैम, साइंस एंड टेक में कैसे लिखें? अब वो वाले क्वेश्चंस आते ही नहीं, जो भी क्लास में टॉपिक्स चल रहे हैं वैसे लिखने वाले तो नहीं आते, मेंस में तो नहीं आते, नो प्रॉब्लम, कमी है। ऐसे के लिए ऐसे पे लिखो, राइट? ऐसे मे बी ट्राई एंड प्रैक्टिस साइंस एंड टेक मेंस आंसर्स, मेंस PYQs. Just try, read and write. You understand what needs to be done? Activities are clear? Pakka? This is for 2026 people. Any doubts? Current affairs, we will have theme based class. Apart from that, are you people reading newspapers? You are comfortable with reading newspapers? How many of you have grown comfortable? पढ़ने में मज़ा आता है? नहीं तो ऐसे से मत करो, हाथ खड़ा करो। पढ़ने में अच्छा लगता है न्यूज़पेपर। गुड। रेस्ट ऑफ यू? अच्छा, smart people. 2026 people, you don't like reading newspaper? We should read. It helps us keep us aware about the surroundings first. Second, but if you haven't read till now, there is another way, that is magazines. मार्केट में बड़ी अच्छी अच्छी मैगजीन्स अवेलेबल हैं, जिसका कलर फॉर्मेट पसंद आए। क्या पसंद आ जाए? कलर, फॉर्मेट, फॉन्ट एंड साइज। 200 pages, 500 pages, 100 pages, according to your own capability. Take it, read it end to end and finish it. There is nothing very rocket sciencey about current affairs. Most of your prelims is based on static. Most of your mains you answer from static with the awareness of current affairs. Mains की preparation तो छोड़ दो, वो तो अलग तरीके से करेंगे, वो तो theme based होती है, वो आपकी classes लगेंगी। Theme based classes current affairs की आपकी लगेंगी। You will have those classes. You don't have to worry about that. Now, what information is important and what is not? The whole wisdom is about this. कि हम करंट अफेयर्स में ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ पढ़ें जो काम की है और कौन सी चीज़ रिजेक्ट कर दें, ये काम की नहीं है। इसके लिए हम एक सेशन प्लान कर लेंगे। डन? आई विल टेक अ सेशन, वी विल सी थ्रू PYQs हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई विच इंफॉर्मेशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस and how to reject the information which is not there, right? People who are finding trouble in reading newspaper, there is a video I made some time back that was also in class only, how to read newspaper. It's on YouTube. एक बार जाके वो देख लेना, बेसिक्स समझ में आ जाएंगे। Any other doubt? You people want magazine, I can get it created for you. I have no problem. But it is just the redundancy. वो यहाँ से छेपेंगे, वो वहाँ से उठाएंगे, वो वहाँ पे कॉपी पेस्ट करेंगे। न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने का जिसे कहते हैं कि अल्टरनेटिव बहुत कॉन्क्रीट कोई है नहीं, बाकी सब नोट्स ही बन जाएंगे आपके। यू विल हैव टू रीड देम, लर्न देम, बट व्हेन यू रीड न्यूज़पेपर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट इज लाइक repeated content, it creates an awareness, so it helps. So initially when you are starting your preparation, you should read newspaper. Maybe after you have read it for 1 year, then you can switch it to magazine. Then newspaper may not be that useful. It may take a lot of time. Basics are already clear. You just need to know the depth. कि मुझे पता है रशिया यूक्रेन में क्या हो रहा है, पॉइंट्स बताओ, मैप दिखा दो मुझे ब्लैक सी का. So rather than searching Black Sea map yourself on internet after reading news, you find it in magazines. That helps. But initially try reading newspaper at least for 6 months to 1 year. Okay.